Hello student, in this video we will see a miscellaneous problem related to trigonometry. Our problem is prove that sine pi by 10 is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Here you have to solve this problem. See the trick. Let here x is equal to pi by 10. Okay. Now it may be written as like this: 5x is equal to pi by 2. This 5x may be split as 2x plus 3x. In this side you have pi by 2. So transfer this 3x from left hand side to right hand side. Then it will become to pi by 2 minus 3x. Now see, we have to find the value of sine pi by 10. So this step may be written as like this: sine 2x, here sine pi by 2 minus 3x. Okay, this sine 2x may be written as it is. This sine pi by 2 minus theta means this is cos 3x. Okay, now see the further step. You have to use the identities here. Sine 2x, that is 2 sine x, cos x, and cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Transfer these all steps from left hand side, so right hand side to left hand side. So this step may be written as 2 sine x cos x, this plus become to minus 4 cos cube x, and this minus 3 of 3 cos x will be written as plus 3 cos x. In right hand side you will have 0. Here we have 3 steps. In this step cos x, in the middle step cos x also, and final last step cos x. So we will take out cos x common from these all 3 steps. So in very first step you will have 2 sin x, here 4, this is cube, so it will become 4 cos square x, and here plus 3 is equal to 0. Dividing both the side by cos x, so finally you will have 2 sin x minus 4 cos square x plus 3 is equal to 0. See, this is 2 sin x minus 4. Cos square may be changed like this: 1 minus sin square x. This is the identity. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Or in next step you see 2 sin x minus 4 plus 4 sin square x plus 3 is equal to 0. We will arrange this step like this. This is 4 sin square x plus 2 sin x. This is minus 4 and this is plus 3. That is minus 1 is equal to 0. It is an quadratic equation. We have to use quadratic equation term also here. Now see, by using the quadratic equation Sridharacharya formula, you may simply calculate the value of sin x. value of sin x. Sin x will equal to here minus 2 plus minus under root 4 plus 16 upon 2 into 8 means 2 into 4, that is 8. Or you can say sin x is equal to minus 2 plus minus, this is under root 20 upon 8 is sin x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 under root 5 upon 8. When we will solve, we will have sin x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 upon 4. Okay, in place of x, as already we have supposed x is equal to pi by 10, so this may be replaced as sin pi by 10 is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 5 upon 4. Since here x lies in first quadrant, okay, therefore sin x will be positive, so we should take here only positive value. Therefore sin pi by 10 will equal to minus 1 plus root 5 upon 4. It may be written as like this: sin pi by 10 is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, that's over.